Recently, it came to my attention that about 6 months ago, Miss Kim Iversen posted a YouTube video called A Deeper Look at the Uyghur Crisis in China, which the Chinese government's false narrative and the disinformation basically wrapped up with her speculations without any respect for the truth. I would like to ask Ms. Iversen on what authority she speaks to the situation, since there is no openness and the transparency to inspect the camps or travel in East Turkestan. She seems very willing to quote the CCP and take it at its word, while she denies many eyewitness testimonies and the Chinese government's own leaked documents and data. So I would like to ask her, are you calling me a liar? Apparently, many of these Chinese defenders are quick to defend a regime that has publicly demonstrated its disregard for the truth or the international agreements while conducting genocide. I have had no news of my sister since she was forcibly disappeared by the Chinese regime on September of 2018. It will be 2 years soon. 2 years. Did you hear me, Miss Iversen? No word on why she was detained, where she is, or her health condition. Her daughters are devastated and cannot lead normal lives. So your naivety concerning the realities of who the Uyghurs are and what's happening to them is devastating, Ms. Iversen, and your willingness to speak so confidently on a subject that you have no knowledge or personal experience with is dangerous. It's complicity with genocide. My sister is not religious, speaks fluent Mandarin, and is a retired medical doctor. So she does not need to be taught about Islam, taught Chinese, or given vocational training. So do the millions of the Uyghurs being detained right now and being enslaved, working as slaves. So my sister is just one of the millions of the Uyghurs in concentration camps and enslaved by the Chinese government that you are defending, using our democracy and the platforms of the freedom that we have in this country. So are you really willing to defend this regime? Your attempts to appear objective by citing Asian society are generalized and completely false. China is not just an Asian society. It is a communist one. Your explanations are revealed as false when you take this regime at its word. The Chinese authorities have changed their own narrative about the camps multiple times. Are you aware of these? You are standing on the wrong side of the history, and the history will remember you on which side you are. You are defending a genocidal regime.